Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when only one earbud isn't working for your headphone Soundcore Sleep A10. Firstly, put your headphones to the charging case, close the case and open it again. Now check it. If it doesn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, just press and hold button at the back for at least 10 seconds. Cool, now open the case, close the case, click the settings icon or information icon if you have iOS, then forget device. Now click pair new device, open the case and it should enter to pairing mode automatically, you can see it, so click on it, pair, and we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!